Or you know what? Yeah, lower it. It's fine. It's... Ay, verga, pasito. So drive shaft is out, under brace, test pipes, motor mounts are disconnected. Alfonso's gonna take off the shifter right now, and I'm gonna start unhooking the harness. All right, broski, so this engine is about ready to come out. I just gotta take off this hose and then the two lines for the power steering, and then disconnect the transmission mount, and she should be ready to come out. We got our engine over here. Our hoist is ready. Sheesh. Got our strap in. Again, the motor's coming out with the transmission. That way we can switch everything out on the floor. It's gonna make our life way easier. Sheesh. A ver, espérame. Watch out with the little heart. Let's not damage it. Even though we're not gonna need it, but go for it. Dale, gordo. And just like that, she's out, boys. I think the longest part was taking out the across the front end, the radiator support and all that stuff. ¿Ya no le puedes hacer más para atrás? Push some more. Alright, cool. It's good. Can you drop it right there, please? Huh? Don't lower it all the way. Or you know what? Yeah, lower it. It's fine. It's... Ay, verga, pasito. There she is, boys. But yeah, as you can see, it was so easy to take it out with the whole complete harness. We did not disconnect anything from the engine. Everything's still plugged up. It's just much easier to change the harness and all that stuff when you gotta change harnesses. But since the engines are different, this one's gotta go in with this harness. It's just much easier to plug it in. All right, broskies, I think we're gonna end the video right here. On the next episode, we're gonna slap this engine with the transmission together. We're probably gonna clean up the engine bay. It's a little dirty. Check it out. Check out all this grime. But yeah, I left the power steering pump here. I took it out completely because I didn't want to take off the lines and have a mess, you know. This causes a lot of mess. But yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple swap. If you guys want to do it yourselves, it's not that hard, to be honest. It takes like a full day. We started like at 3 p.m. Started taking out the radiator support, and then I took a long break and then we continued. But it's not that hard. All in all, it takes like 4 hours to take it out, and then maybe like another 6 hours to put it back in, make sure everything's good. But yeah. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.